Alright, this is Tyson09 Able. I need help trying to turn on my phone. It just won't turn on. I'm gonna hit the power button. That's all I get. Wireless and wireless. Won't turn on. So I'm gonna and it won't turn back off unless the battery goes dead. Alright. I'm doing this on my phone that I don't like. You can't really see it, so just come on. Alright, I'm gonna take the battery out of the phone. Okay. Got the phone. I'm gonna blow the phone. Blow the battery. Put the battery back in the phone. Sorry for the bad quality. Took black nigga don't got the phone. Told you. Alright. I'm plugging the charger. On my TV. Alright. Alright, I plugged it up. Hit the phone jack in. Sorry about that. Okay, I have it plugged in. It just says wireless and wireless. Nothing. Then these buttons supposed to pop up. They're supposed to go red. That's what it does next. Wait for it for a minute. See, it blinks. You might see the reflection on my phone right there. Just keeps going on and off. Nothing. Well, I need help, people. Need help. Alright. Now I'm going to put it in the power button and see what happens. Nothing. See? Please, people, I need help throwing this phone because I do not like the phone I got now. This phone was very good. I got this from somebody trading my earphones, but I can't get it to work right. It fits in my charger, the phone I got now, and it just won't work. So, I need help. For it. This is Tyson09 Able going out.